Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Brajeshwar Prasad. He was born on 22nd of October 1911 in Patna, Bihar. He obtained his law degree from Patna Law College and founded Civil Liberty Union at Gaya in 1937. He was the founding member of Shetkari Mazdoor Sangh. He participated in various national movements. He was elected as a Constituent Assembly member from Gaya, Bihar on Congress party ticket. He participated in various debates in the Constituent Assembly. He participated on the discussion of citizenship, discussion on preamble, discussion as regards the center-state relationship, discussion on the issues related to public health. He urged that provinces must not have autonomous power and should have only concurrent powers. He also proposed All India Public Service Commission instead of individual state commissions. He also recommended that all the tribal areas be integrated and placed under an autonomous body set up by the central government and not under the state government. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.